Welcome back to our podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we're unpacking something that's been a game changer in the deployment of microservices, traefik, an HTTP reverse proxy and load balancer. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is that? Well, let's break it down. So picture this. You have a ton of microservices running in your infrastructure, perfect for today's agile development environments. But how do users access these services efficiently? Enter traefik, pronounced traffic. Traefik makes life easier for developers and operations teams alike by handling the heavy lifting of routing traffic to these microservices automatically. The real magic of traefik is its ability to integrate with existing infrastructural components like Docker, Kubernetes, and even Amazon ECS. You only need to point traefik to your orchestrator, and voila, it configures itself dynamically, which means less time fiddling with configurations and more time focusing on what matters, building amazing applications. And let's talk about its features, because they're pretty impressive. traefik continuously updates its configuration without requiring any restarts. That's right, you don't have to stop your services just to reroute some traffic. It also supports multiple load balancing algorithms, provides HTTPS using Let's Encrypt, and incorporates features like circuit breakers and retries. Who doesn't love a tool that safeguards your services? What's particularly cool is its web UI. If you remember the time when everyone was using command lines for everything, the web interface feels like a breath of fresh air. It visually presents the status of your services, making it easier to manage complex microservice architectures. Now, you're probably wondering how you can get started. The traefik documentation offers a 5-minute quick start guide that quickly gets you up and running if you have Docker. It's designed to demystify the setup process, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you can still join the fun. Oh, and let's not forget about the community aspect. traefik fosters a collaborative environment, encouraging contributions from anyone who's motivated. It's really about sharing knowledge and resources, not a closed, elitist club. So, before we wrap up, let's consider a thought-provoking question. How do you think tools like traefik will evolve to further simplify microservices management? As we continue to advance in tech, it'll be fascinating to see how these integrations change the game for developers and businesses alike. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've enjoyed our deep dive into traefik and its role in modern microservice deployment, feel free to share this episode and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the tech landscape.